guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you about this AI tool, Apob AI. So this AI tool is a very interesting tool, and I love it so much because it has varieties of functions such as image generation, text to images, and so on. So what I love about this AI tool and what is mostly used is for influencing. If you want to generate images from any background, any environment, any atmosphere, this AI tool is going to generate it for you. So I'm going to be taking you through, showing you basically what the app is about, just an overview. So I'm going to be generating some images. I will let you just walk you through about how the AI tool is. So let's go. So firstly, when you go to the link apob.ai, you're going to create for free. Then you start create for free. So Apob AI I love this tool a lot. Like I just spent a little time with it though, but the little time I spent, I love it. So this is just an example of what you are going to get once you start using the tool. So you are going to sign in. Once you sign in, you click in your details, your Gmail, and everything. Once you sign in, you are going to be redirected to another page to log in your details. So you sign in. I don't know, just a mistake, but I'm just excited though. I'm really excited about this. I love trying AI tools. I love trying them out, letting people know that AI is here to stay, and AI tools are very interesting. Like if you know how to use them, you can get the most out of it. So that's why I love it. I'm so enthusiastic about them. So let's get started. So just signed in. I put in my username, the one I want. Then afterwards, I'll be redirected to another page. So here I'm presented with two options. I can either use a preset image of myself, or I can create an image. So but I'm going to create an image. I'm going to create an image from scratch. So basically how I look like, but I don't think it is how I look like though, but I'll give it a try. So I'm just testing out the functions. That's varieties of functions, different presets to try out. So I would advise that you just try everything out, but you can also follow. If you are looking to create a character that resembles your person, so you can follow it through. So I just randomly picked though, but I think I got it. So here it is. Okay, let's go for this one. Then looking for the best option. I think this is better. Then so many options to choose. Like let me use this. Okay, I think this is okay. Use this. Then we generate. Let's see how it's going to be. It's going to take a few minutes to add to skip through. It's going to take a few minutes to generate, but once it generates, the photo are very okay. Like it looks almost exactly like me. Look at it's just almost exactly like myself though, but not really though. I think the facial features are not really on point, but I will give you like 80%. Yes, 80%. Then I use my nickname. Then the details that are just a random detail. Because if you want to type longer details just to describe your personality, like I said, this Apob AI is like an influencing tool. If you are looking to start a career in influencing, you can use it, but you have to subscribe to the premium. You have to upgrade so that you'll be able to get more features on this tool. So I just put in the minor details for the sake of getting to know this tool. So afterwards, I was redirected to another another page. So my account has been created already. This is my page in the Apob AI. So there are several options to choose, like I said, image generation, text to image generation, different tools inside this Apob AI. You can try them out. And if you want to create, let's say I want to create a person, there are several tools, several options I can choose from the environment to the atmosphere to the the dressing, from the dressing to the environment to the weather to everything. I can tweak it to my own taste. So I'll be choosing them one after the other. I'll start from the very first one. So let me go for which should I go for? Okay. So so I want to see how it's going to look like though. I'm so excited about this too. I don't know how long it has been though, but Apob AI, I really love it. This is it. It's generating the image according to the options I selected. I so much love this too. I think you should try it out. Like, look at, just look at, it is near perfect. If it is not just a solid 10, it is near perfect. Look at exactly how I want it. You can also do some prompt adjusting. You can adjust the prompts to however you want it. Maybe for instance, I want my person to be sitting inside a plane. There are also some options that I can choose. So look at, there are different options I can choose. I can put in my own prompts, my own videos and everything. Just explore the tool, explore the Apob AI tool, and I'm very sure you're going to enjoy it. I love this tool. I love this tool so much, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I did. So yeah, it is. I can even turn the image to video. Isn't that cool? Like, just look at it. This is wow. This is. If I upload this on my social media, like, you wouldn't know it's fake except I tell you it is AI generated. Like, you won't know that it is AI generated. So that's one thing I love about this Apob AI. It is near perfect, just like a real image, as if I was standing behind a private jet. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated to AI.